Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to fix login error in BFI application. First, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there is any other kinds of problem while logging in, you want to simply go to your settings. After that, you want to tap on General and click on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the BFI Player application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if any problem comes up, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.